That's step number 1 right there.
I was just looking at it, I was like, man, this thing's gonna fucking fall.
You're not wrong.
Alright, well, those screws didn't hold.
Fuck.
Oh, it's cheese grating.
It really is.
Woo!
Oh my god.
I was dying.
Yeah, this thing.
Alright, so we're back in the shop doing shit to the Corolla. This hood is not going to be getting painted with the car, obviously, because it's so fucking trash. Like, honestly, we should just take it off. Yeah, DJ got a bunch of new tools from Amazon. This is basically the only thing on the car that's not going to get painted, because the fenders, Jonas is going to make me some metal fenders like he made on the Skyline. Really just bummed on this hood, because what happened to it was I was driving and I forgot to put the hood pins in. Me and Michaela were in the car and hood just fucking flew up at like 45 miles an hour and smashed the windshield.
Tried to paint strip it a long time ago, but we got like a spray paint stripper instead of like a thing, like the gel. Oh hey, who are those guys?
What the fuck?
What is happening?
Straight out of Canada.
What is that?
Happy Christmas. Present.
Oh my god. We were just talking about
I
how...
wouldn't believe it. We were just conversing
No
about
way.
how badly we needed a hood.
Yeah.
Oh shit, sorry about it.
Wow. Wait, who are you guys? Why are you here?
Where are you from? What kind of voice is that?
From fucking Canada.
This is the Moist Boys. They have a YouTube channel. Everyone is always like, yo, why don't you guys collab, blah, blah, blah. And we've always wanted to. Like, we've talked to each other on the internet for a long time. And
Yeah,
Yeah.
we'd read Penthouse together.
who hooked it up with the hood?
Ben R32.
Yeah, Ben_R32.
Shout out to Ben, dude.
With
'cause
his 1,000,000 horsepower Skyline.
my hood is ass garbage, so now the Corolla is like ready to get painted. Once we like actually get it ready to get painted.
Let me roll my tools. Oh,
Should we film the Griot thing?
Yeah.
Or should we film
Let's film back to back, dude. And we'll just say it's a day of promotion. We got a lot going on.
The arrival of the
No.
boys came the arrival of the skins.
Yeah, we are launching.
All four of them.
So yeah, we got 4 skins around here.
No, we're doing a little collab on some merch with them. I'd like to say first off, I don't condone vaping or any of that.
There was really bad timing on this product, but we still think it's funny, so we're doing it because it's sick.
Yeah, we got Moist Boys, more Skids, Jewel, Skin, collaboration.
Yeah, we'll see one already in action over here. Give it a spliff.
It's soda batteries, man.
Oh shit.
You guys don't have fucking electricity down here.
Oh, true. So yeah, this is our radical new product. You can transform your Jewel into something cool.
Yeah, because they're not cool in the first place.
Yeah, but if you got one, dude, if you got one,
Line it up with the little hole here.
And then you just wrap it up.
just roll that joint.
The boys over here, so we're like, oh, it looks like you're rolling a joint. Crimp it, crease it.
Yeah, gotta lick it a little bit. There you go.
Should line right up. If you applied it correctly.
Yeah, no refunds if you fuck it up. It's your fault.
Yeah.
Take it to your local like phone store and have the guy who puts the screen protectors on. Have
It's
him
like
do
when
it.
you buy a kit, they're like, it's gonna take an expert. So if you fuck it up, it's on you.
This will make your
Jewel.
Jewel 28% faster.
And stronger.
Yeah.
Been tested.
Oh, we also have black ones. Check out the link in the description. Head over to Moist Boys website. They also got some other cool shit on there. We got some of their products right here, actually. Small wheels forever, unless you drive a blue Skyline. And then they got the beer can Moist Boys air freshener, and obviously they got a lot of other stuff on there. So
Yeah.
go check out their website. They
They have
got cool
some
shit.
of the sickest merch in the game.
Yeah.
And
If you guys don't know, they have a YouTube channel, and their content is pretty fucking fire.
It's
so-
actually, it makes us mad because it's like what we wish our channel was
Yeah, we're like,
sometimes.
"Fuck." Good stuff. We were talking about this when they came in. What was it? Something about people doing something, and you're like, fuck, I should have done that.
Oh yeah, tweets.
Tweets.
That's something funny.
Yeah, like I see a tweet, and then I'm like, man, that's such a good tweet. I wish I would have thought of that. New tools, baby.
This is the Amazon special, huh?
I can barely pay rent because I bought a bunch of tools. Oh shit.
The Amazon tool special.
I'll go get the other battery that's been on the chart.
I was gonna say, dude, that thing is donkey.
Keep telling yourself that.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah, so this is probably best for tightening things. Pretty
Well,
tight.
can you use your actual force too?
All right. Oh, now I know how to use it.
We could probably decollect some of this.
Decollect. No.
I'm like,
You're cleaning that up.
Sweep it out, dude.
You don't have a broom.
We're decollecting here. You guys want to put on our new hood for us?
Yeah, you can use this funky new machine. Oh, it's on loosened.
Upwardsly?
Upwardly more, I guess.
Oh, there we go. Give her a strip or what?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't like the sound of
Yeah,
that.
just cross-thread it, dude.
Alright, hold on.
Rusty as fuck, so.
Oh, that just looks
That's stripping it nicely. Look at your angle, man.
There you go.
This thing's fat.
Test the filaments or what?
Oh, it looks like it's... Because the other one looks super long.
A little
so-
sideways.
Nicely done.
No, I just didn't.
Well, we don't worry about that.
Well, that's about.
Grind it.
We'll have to reset her a little bit.
Okay, so today's kind of the day of collaboration and promotion.
We're actually doing this really cool thing with Grio's Garage. I wanted to do like a microfiber branded microfiber, just because like we've been making that joke for a while. We ended up just going with kind of a little package where if you spend a certain amount of money on the Grio's Garage website, then you get a free thing of track spray. Shit smells fire.
It is amazing. Everybody come around, take a toke of this.
This one's actually the least best smelling one, but
I mean, it's got a smell to it.
kind of like mandarin. It's
Wow. Woo.
I need to
Wow.
get this line.
Okay, maybe not their best smelling product.
I mean, I drink it. It's pretty good.
I'd jewel that.
So this is designed for like cleaning up your car after a track day. It's called track spray. We got a bit of track debris on Caleb's FC here, so we're gonna use the nice old microfiber. This kit is actually branded as the More Skids microfiber kit. So you spend money on Grio's Garage on their website.
I think it's $60, right?
Yeah, 60 bucks or more, and you get a free, I think you get two free microfibers and one bottle of track spray, which is like a $35.
Yeah, that's a big value.
Yeah, these microfibers are like the best things you'll ever fucking touch in your life.
That is also a fact. Basically, it's a pretty sick deal because, I mean, you get something that has More Skids microfiber joke in it, and you
Yeah.
spend $60 and get $90 worth of shit. So-
Yeah, and like all the other stuff on Grio's Garage website, just so good.
And
Ask Riley, dude. He
Oh, yeah.
uses it.
Oh,
So
yeah.
If Riley uses it,
Also, everything else on their website smells better than this.
Yeah.
So it's like, you can only go up. Even this smells good.
wow, a hefty microfiber too.
Yeah, that's
for it.
actually, that was a guy named Michael that they ground down.
Yeah, turned him into it.
It's soylent fiber.
Tire debris on this fender here from Caleb just doing fatty skirts in this LS car.
Dude, there's some smudge over here, some dirt. Oh, yeah.
Directions for best results: shake wet.
Oh.
Already fucking up.
All right, let's hit it.
Oh my god, what the hell? Dude, that's crazy. Okay, I did not expect to like actually be like, this is amazing. But it turns out this is amazing.
I want to bathe in that.
Look at how fucking clean is that?
Wash my car.
That's crazy. Show us the microfiber, dude. I want to see how much
Show us the
junk
dirt.
came off.
Honestly, you could probably do this with like a paper towel and not ruin your nice microfiber, but
That's true. See, okay, you can
clearly see the difference between this and this. And that's not just like wet and dry. That's like, that's crazy.
Yeah.
Very nice. So yeah, check out Grio's Garage's website. We'll have it linked in the description. If you're ever in the need, like, we're not asking you to just go buy random shit so you can get this for free, but if like you're in the need of car washing shit, they're the people to go to.
And they legit are just the best. Like, it's super cool that they're local and they are cool with us and they allow us to do things like this.
Yeah, we had a meet. Our last meet was hosted at their flagship store, so
Yeah.
that was sick.
So aside from all that cool stuff, they're also just such a good company. Like, their products are amazing. Like, it's not just like some rebranded shit from China. Like, they have their own in-house chemists and stuff who formulate this stuff.
Yep.
It's really good.
So yeah, shout out to Grio's Garage. Check out their website. Check out Moist Boy's website. Check out all the websites.
Yeah, the internet, we've been looking around. It's big. There's some shit out there.
It is pretty.
There's some
big.
stuff you shouldn't type in, but aside from that, like,
There is some
check
stuff
it out.
you should type in.
yeah. So anyway, we're gonna have to get out of here soon, but we have some more
You know,
business to tend
We
to.
have very important business to attend down south, 20 minutes to the Popeyes,
Yeah,
because that's where we go for all of our
business meetings.
big business meetings.
But before that, we have some other business to tend to.
We can't use the stairs anymore because the Corolla's in the way.
Where they're at, you know, when they come to our shop, they need to know that they're in outlaw nation territory. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of Outlaw Nation.
Yo, if anyone's been keeping up with Report of the Week,
Oh yeah.
he was doing something similar to exactly what I'm doing right now when he fell and almost died.
Oh.
Welcome to America, boys.
Hey, coming down.
Something's a little off with the fucking cattywampus there, I think. Yo, did you guys get that level?
Parker, your eye level is on.
Yeah, the laser eye is on.
Hey, what's up with your hood, little man? You're not shut away?
What do you think? Shut it. Who's very medical?
Hit it harder. Don't be a bitch.
You guys prepping for this
There you go.
Popeye sandwiches?
I'm gonna fucking stab a bitch for a problem. What's the story behind that person getting stabbed?
They got stabbed.
It's just a typical American fast food
Yeah, bro.
restaurant, honestly.
Yeah.
It could have been
You go to any
shoes.
Popeyes
It could have been
or
anything.
like
Wendy's.
Wendy's.
Mm, I
People
love
are getting stabbed for food every day.
So
That never happens at Tim Hortons. Stand in a fucking line. I don't know what the problem is.
There was recently a news story where like a customer threw her McDonald's food bag at the McDonald's worker, and so the McDonald's worker threw a blender at the
Yeah,
customer.
yeah, and fucked her up.
Because like the lady was just like screaming like she forgot her like fries or something. And
All right, we're heading back to the crib. I'm gonna ride in the Padge in the young Pajero so I can chill with the moistest boys in town.
Drop her into 4 high.
Chuck her in, man.
Oh shit.
Give her the
It's a little rough.
Oh, we're in 4-wheel now.
Then Parker got home and his car was overheating and his alternator light came on. And we did a little deductive reasoning, some scientific research.
So I was driving home. I think I picked up Caleb and heard this. Chico! I was like, oh, okay. And then it was fine. And then I was driving home. Battery light popped on, and my temp gauge just went. Was cooked completely.
That's where you want it.
Yeah, if you want to cook hot dogs.
Yeah, yeah.
And then we looked in here, and believe it or not, I believe we're missing a belt.
I do believe so. There's nothing on the alternator, nothing on the water pump.
So it was boiling like fucking hot dog water.
yeah, the overflow
And
was
look how
boiling.
dirty that is.
Okay, yeah, we found a Popeyes that's literally in the same parking lot as an AutoZone, so it works out just great. S10 up there in Sky with a V8 and it just going skirt. Aggressive, man.
You gotta drive it?
Louisiana fans.
Here's the package.
Mission success.
Sandwiches, dude. This is the second video in 3 videos that we've gotten Popeyes.
Are you kidding me?
What is it?
Watch, look at that sandwich.
What about it?
Nice, man.
It's a honking chunk.
Real nice, man.
Should we drive?
Dude, that's
I'll
lit.
probably crash.
That's a really good sandwich, Popeyes.
All right, we got our spicy chicken sandwiches. We got Parker's belt. We played some Call of Duty Black Ops.
Drove the Corolla around.
Yeah, Parker just drove Cat's Corolla. How was it?
That thing is sick,
Yeah,
but
yeah,
the
the
headlights are like Fisher Price.
yeah, they're pretty bad.
They're bad.
And then
Bad as Skyline.
Really?
the axle slap is really bad too. You just go over a bump and the
I
whole...
know. It was like.
yeah, it's scary.
I was like, holy fuck. All right, should we take this fucking intake off?
Yeah, honestly, just like loosen that and twist it up in the air.
Here.
This is the most mechanical thing we've done since we had the shop.
And it's not even the fucking shop.
All right, we got
We just finished up.
Parker's car's working now, so we're he's washing some dishes real quick, and then.
Wait, my turn?
All right,
Oh shit. So,
Moist Boys are back. They're introducing us to moose milk.
yeah, there you go, hey.
This looks pretty milky. Like there's a lot
Look
of.
at that, eh?
I have a rough history with well, I was gonna say diarrhea on accident, but that's accurate. But dairy. So I might die.
You're
tonight.
lactose?
I don't know. I had a thick minute where I just couldn't eat cheese or dairy at all.
like
But
everyone
now I'm
does
kind of
to
like
some
coming back.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, this will get you either way. Straight, even if you're
Drinking
not
half and
lactose.
half.
So,
Yeah.
All right.
fast.
Yeah, I don't like more Skids anymore. I'm joining with them.
Okay.
See ya.
See ya. It's the next day. We had some drinks, we had some hangs. Now we're just gonna go get lunch and see the Moist Boys back off to Canada. Wow, can you guys believe we just got Parker's alternator belt fixed? Wow.
Yeah, that was really quick.
Good.
Quick job. Nice.
Yeah.
Shit was wild.
We milked a moose. We sucked it down.
This is what we put in it. I just texted Michaela about it. Espresso shots, heavy cream, milk, Bailey's, Jaeger, hot sauce, brown sugar, bourbon, and salt. All in a pot and just fucking whipped her up.
Yeah.
Started curdling after a little while, but we still drank.
But yeah, we just swallowed the curdles. Basically, we're gonna grab some to eat, chill out for a few minutes, and then these youngsters are heading back to Canada.
Maybe we should try Fat Pie Pizza.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Wow. sit on bench. Wow.
All right,
They're
well,
leaving, Cat.
the boys are going back to town. She's right across the street, fuck guy.
That's fair.
All right. Oh, beautiful.
See you next time.
Yep.
Thanks for coming down. Yeah, appreciate it. Thanks for also telling thanks for the hit again.
Good meeting you, buddy.
Good to meet you, DJ.
Wow.
And we'll get that.
It was great meeting you guys.
Yeah,
seriously.
you guys too.
It's sick. We'll be up there sometime.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
We'll
Now
be
that-
across the pond.
Yeah.
We're across the pond to a new country.
Kinda, yeah.
And on the literally.
Oh.
Yeah, and on, yeah.
All right.
Drive safe. See you guys.
Later.
Bye bye.
Good luck with the bathroom. Oh, thanks, man.
30,000 100 million bands in my band, and another 20 trillion bands in my oil pan. Call me Bill Gates, I'm the motherfucking band man. Ice cream paint on my Louis V soda can. I just no scope, yo bitch, check the bandy cam. 10 racks in my hands, call me Edward Van Hands. I was in a band, man, we were called the Band Band. Meet me at the Denny's, cause I'm cooking up a band slam. Yeah, ooh, yeah, ooh, yeah, I have way more money than you. Ran out of pockets, keep money in my shoe. 10 rollies on my wrist, dream come true. Granting all my wish, that's what the money do. Rolling up a swish, puff till I turn blue. Double styrofoam dish, brain turned to goo. I don't really care, cause the doctor make it new. I'm really rich, and that's what the money do. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, ooh, yeah. Ooh, yay. Woo, yeah. Blah, 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 pussy, money, money, weed. Yada, 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 got a wad of paper all green. Henny, 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 roly-polies for my team. Zanny, Molly, Percocet, and promethazine. Got a lot of Lamborghinis in my Lambo account. How many do you got? Bitch, you know I can't count. I just dropped a rack on a couple new rack mounts, so I can put some racks on my racks. Watch me ball out. Bunny nose kid with the Sudafed flow. Talk a lot of shit, but it's all love though. Luka X kicked the beat, yeah, he set that shit to Wumbo. First grade SpongeBob, now we going Dumbo. Blah, 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 pussy, money, money, weed.